Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to achieve this soft glam look in less than 3 minutes. First up, I start by moisturizing my lips and I'm mixing in 2 foundation shades. This video is slightly long because I wanted to show you guys how I blend in my makeup. The key to a flawless makeup base is blending. You have to blend in your makeup properly, blend in till your hand hurts. Next up, I'm going in with my concealer and I'm going to list everything I'll be using in this video in the description box, so make sure to check that out. To contour my face, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick. I love this contour stick because it is so easy to apply. Blend, blend, blend. After blending my contour, I go back with the other beauty blender to highlight my cheekbones, the one I use for my concealer. I'm going in with my Huda Beauty setting powder to set my concealer. I'm not going for a very bright under eye, so this works perfect for me. And of course, reverse contour, the cheekbones has to stand out. And next, my Sephora Beauty Easy Big Face Powder. This works wonders. I use it to blend any harsh lines to just put everything together. Next up, I'm setting my contour with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I love this bronzer so much. I use it all the time. I also used a shade from my eyeshadow palette to add a little more warmth to my face. I use it as my blush. And lastly, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever face powder to just blend everything and set everything all in. For the eyes, I wanted something simple, so I used the black eyeshadow shade on the outer corner of my eyes and the inner corner, and in the center I just applied like a neutral shade, blended that in, and I also did apply this light purple shade in my inner tear dots. Mascara. For the lips, I'm using this pink lip liner and I went back in with my Mistio lip oil and applied that properly, and it gave me this juicy pink lips. I love this. And that is it for the makeup routine. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you all in my next video. Bye.